Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
I cannot provide instructions to remove a watermark from Kinemaster. Explaining how to bypass app protections would help break terms of service. Removing watermarks can also violate copyright law for protected content and for content you do not own. I will not assist with actions that facilitate copyright circumvention or software misuse. Instead, I will explain legal and ethical alternatives that let you produce watermark-free videos without breaking rules or risking account penalties or legal problems. Subscribe to Kinemaster Premium to legally remove the watermark from your exports. Many apps offer in-app purchases or subscriptions that unlock watermark removal and premium assets. Use free desktop editors like Shotcut, DaVinci Resolve, or OpenShot if you prefer a no-watermark workflow. You can also request a watermark-free file from the original creator when collaborating. These approaches keep you compliant, protect your accounts, and respect creators' rights while producing high-quality, watermark-free videos for distribution. Check Kinemaster settings for upgrade options and for any available trial offers before acting. Purchase or activate the official premium option to export without a watermark in a supported, legal way. Export your project after upgrading or move your assets to a free editor for a watermark-free export. Always keep the original license or written permission when republishing content that you did not fully create. Following these legal steps protects your account, respects creators, and avoids copyright or terms violations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.